Hi, my name is Vito Paonessa. I'm one of the area managers for Clera Windows Doors. I've been in the sales industry for about 25 years and I've been selling with Clera for 6. I cover the better part of the York region area in sales. What I like working with Clera Windows Doors is that I'm selling a product that I can strongly believe in. It's a well-manufactured product. We stand behind our product. It's lifetime warranty and a true lifetime warranty that we give on our product. And our service is next to none. What's different about Clera Windows Doors with our competition is that we take care of you from start to finish. So our sales team, our installation team, and our manufacturing team is all one. We don't outsource any of that. It's all part and parcel with what you're purchasing with Clera. So when we stand behind, it's not just our product we stand behind, we stand right behind our service from start to finish. The big benefit there is that we are a one-stop shop that we take care of you from start to finish. So I'd like to thank my past customers and welcome any new customers. Because we do sell and manufacture our own windows and we're proud and stand behind our product, rest assured that if you do recommend us to your friends and family, we will be taking care of them just as we took care of you. We want them to be as happy as you are. And so thanks again, and we'll see you in the future.